Vacation on a budget, top tips for finding the best deals. Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about tips and tricks for getting a great vacation deal. Vacations can be expensive, but with the right strategies, you can save money and still have a great time. So, let's get started. Timing is key. The timing of your vacation can make a big difference in the price you pay. If you can be flexible with your travel dates, you can save a lot of money. For example, traveling during the off-season or weekdays can be significantly cheaper than peak season or weekends. Holidays can also be more expensive, so if you can avoid traveling during popular holidays, you can save money. To find the best times to travel to your destination, you can do some research online or check with travel agents. You can also follow airlines and hotels on social media to be aware of any promotions they may have. Be flexible with your travel plans. Being flexible with your travel plans can open up more opportunities for deals. For example, last-minute bookings can be cheaper than booking months in advance. You can also consider alternate airports or destinations if they offer better deals. There are many websites and apps that can help you find flexible travel options, such as Google Flights, Skyscanner, or Kayak. Use loyalty programs and rewards. Loyalty programs and rewards can help you save money on travel. Airline miles, hotel points, and credit card rewards can all add up to significant savings. To maximize your rewards, you can sign up for credit cards with travel rewards and use multiple rewards programs. Consider all-inclusive packages. All-inclusive packages can sometimes be a good option for saving money on a vacation. These packages usually include food, drinks, and activities, so you can save money on these expenses. To find the best all-inclusive packages, you should compare prices, read reviews, and research resort amenities. Final thoughts and conclusion. So, those are our tips and tricks for getting a great vacation deal. Remember to be flexible with your travel plans, use loyalty programs and rewards, and consider all-inclusive packages. With these strategies, you can save money and still have a great vacation. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other vacation deal tips, please share them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.